What's up everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are setting up a brand new skateboard. This is the board setup we have going on here. If you guys don't remember, in my last video I actually dropped this skateboard in the water, and I don't think that it's gonna snap or anything, but it is more potential to break after being soaked in the water and then drying. Having the water kind of soak through it does weather it a bit and make it just easier to snap. So I decided to just retire this board already and set up a brand new one because this one is going to be super sick. So right here we have the Qlik grip, and this grip came from Rika Yushi, my friend. He sent this over to me, and I knew that the grip was going to be perfect with the board that I'm going to skate. So this grip is super sick. If you guys want an anime custom grip tape, then make sure you guys check him out. Or if you guys have ordered one and you guys didn't receive it yet, make sure you guys reach out to him, message him, because he will make it right. He'll make sure that you guys get your grip tape. And then for the board, we are skating a Baker board. This is an 825. This is a mellow concave OG shape with electricity design. This board just looks super sick, and I just really like the design. I knew it was gonna be perfect for the Qlik grip, so I decided to pick up this deck, pick up the Qlik grip, and just put it together. So that is what we have going on for the board and the grip tape. And then here we have my trucks and my wheels. These are 5.6 Venture trucks, and these go for the 8.25 deck sizes. And the reason I skate Ventures is because Yuto Horigome skates Ventures, and also Paul Rodriguez also skates Venture trucks too. So if they're skating Venture trucks, I decided, hey, I might as well try them out. Why do they like them so much? Maybe I will too. So yeah. And then we have Spitfire Formula 4s. These used to be the 58 millimeters, but they've been shredded down to kind of like a 54 millimeter. And inside them we have the Quantum Metallics. The Quantum Metallics were soaked in with the water, and they actually kind of look a little rusted or weathered, but they're still spinning pretty nice. I didn't clean them or anything, so that's pretty cool. I probably will end up cleaning them, but for now I think that's pretty sick that they're still spinning. So that is the truck and the wheel setup. This is probably my favorite truck and wheel combination setup that I've ever had. And then also, I forgot, we got the Bones medium bushings. These medium bushings have treated me very well. It's kind of like the perfect softness for just skate tricks and stuff in my personal taste. So I like these medium bushings. The hard ones are probably really good as well. And yeah, so that's what I have going on for the trucks and the wheels. And yeah, let's just start setting this board up. I'm super excited about it. Alright, so first things first, let's go ahead, peel the grip, and let's just stick it on the board. But actually, I forgot. We got to kind of cut the, we gotta slice the thing. We gotta slice it. Let's go ahead and cut the plastic. So, yes. Rip off this plastic. Nice little ASMR. But I will put this in my pocket so we don't litter out here. And we got a nice little warning sticker. Skate within your abilities. Injury or death may result from improper use. Always wear safety gear. Made in Mexico. So that is cool. I'm gonna leave the sticker on there just because why not? And yeah, wow, this feels nice. Sick. All right. Now we have that. I shall take this and we shall peel the grip. I actually have been letting this sit in the sun for a little so that it kind of stays rolled out, because when you get it, it's all like rolled up, and it's hard to... All right, I don't know what happened. The camera kind of cut out, so I have the grip here. It's peeled already, and now we're just gonna stick it on here evenly. I think sticking it on here evenly is probably like the hardest part, but all you have to do is just try your best. Try to get it even, kind of like on the tops here, and then also a little bit on the sides. But since, I don't know, it will never be perfect, so you kind of just have to try your best. And if it comes out ugly, then all well. Looks like you're just gonna have to buy a brand new skateboard. I'm just kidding. But we just want to stick this on here, make sure it's on there really good. Seems to be pretty good though. Of course, it's not gonna be perfect. It's not gonna be perfectly even, but just try your best. And yeah. All right, now we're gonna take our handy dandy tool thingy, and then we're gonna use the metal part on the top. We're gonna sand down the edges, and yeah. All right, now we're gonna cut the grip tape, and this is everyone's favorite part or their least favorite part, depending on if they like doing this or not. But here's some tips to make this easier for you. I like to cut slits in the grip tape, so I like to make one here. Just kind of like cut a little slit in there. Maybe like another one sometimes here or like halfway through. I'll make another one right here, just because this is another point where I like to end. You know, just like make little slits everywhere, and that way you have like start and end points, and I don't know, it just makes it a little easier for me. So this is what I'll do. All right, so basically we cut little slits into the grip tape, and basically you just want to take it one piece at a time. You don't have to cut the whole thing in one big piece. I like to cut it into pieces like that, and that just makes it a whole lot easier for me. So next piece we have here is from here all the way down. So I'm just gonna cut at a little 45-degree angle. Just take my time with it, you know. You don't have to rush this. You just have to take your time, add some pressure, and just pull. Just pull, you know. And if you need to, stop, you know, pull it up a little more. Pull it up a little more, take your time, and then come back with the blade. Just pull. Just take your time with it. Pull towards you, just like that. Boom. Now you got a nice clean piece, you know, a nice clean edge, and that's how I do it. At least I try. So let's try some more. Again, we'll do this. We're gonna lift up here. Our slit is right here, so we're gonna focus on this. That's all we gotta focus on. All right, and then we're just come at an angle. Boom, boom. Cut on that little crease there. Just pull. That's all it is. Look, perfect. You see? Keep it simple. All right, keep it simple. Just lift up again. Lift up. Make sure we're recording. Yes, okay. And then just take your time with it. Just take your time. No need to rush this. Just gotta take your time with it. And bam, there you have it. Perfect piece. A clean edge. Looks sick. And then we're gonna do here all the way to the end. And make sure we're recording still. Yep. Pull up. And then just take it 45-degree angle and just pull. Of course, it's not always perfect, but just take your time with it, you know? Take your time with it. Starts to mess up, just lift it up again, you know? Start lifting up again, and then it should be easier. See? So much easier now, after I started lifting it up. So just take your time with it, man. Still recording? Yeah, still recording. So. Oh, this part's here. It's starting to get a little weird. So last one here, we have just this little corner. And again, just want to lift it up. Just cut your grip into pieces, and it'll be easier. I like to pull towards me, so kind of just want to get a nice angle. And yeah, just take your time with it. Just gonna stick this to each other. Just use this. And now we have this beautiful monstrosity, the Baker with the Qwik. Dude, this looks so fresh. And now I'm just gonna poke some holes, and then we're gonna attach the trucks, and that's it for the skate setup. So I'm really happy with the way this looks so far. And yeah, let's finish this up. I like to make sure that these holes are nice and wide because it's easier to stick the bolts through them, and also you won't have like your bolts lifting up through your board. Your bolts will be more flush with the board if you just make the holes wider and just like open these up a little more. So just take a little more time just to open them up, because I used to just like smash my bolts through and just like tighten them all the way down, but then I realized that you know, it it affected the way I set it up my board, so I started to take more time to do this, even if it's just like small, little, tiny thing, you know? The small things make a difference. Now, we got our bolts here. I think I'm gonna do, I like to do one gold bolt right here. I like to put my gold bolt right here, and then the rest will be black. And on the same thing, I'll do on the other side. So let's just do that. Gold bolt, and then the rest will be black. And then from there, we'll just put on the trucks. Let me just make sure I got my front and back trucks right. I had to think about it real quick. I had to think which is my front trucks and which is my back trucks. Because if you don't label them, then it is hard to know. Another big thing is always make sure that when you're setting up a new board, trucks are facing the right way. Both the bolts are facing inward, both bolts facing in. Just remember that and you'll be good. But if you guys put your trucks on the wrong way, then you'll hop back on your board and just be like, what the heck? I thought, why is everything all different? So just keep that in mind. It's super simple, and even a pro skater will sometimes put them on wrong. So don't even trip about it. Well, bam. And just tighten them down. You are good. I like to use hand tools just because it just makes my life easier instead of using that stupid little stick thing that they give you as a screwdriver. Oh, heck no. Hand tools, way better, way better. One thing about venture trucks though, I will say, is that tightening them down is kind of a pain in the butt just because the truck kind of gets in the way, but it's all good, I guess. They skate really good, so I guess it doesn't matter. Same thing on this side. You guys know how it goes. And now we're good. I still gotta tighten them a little more, but don't worry, I'll do that. But for now, this looks sick. I love it. Let me know what you guys think. I think that it came out super sick. I think that the combo with the electricity board and kilowatt, it just goes so fire. So let me know what you guys think. I think it came out super sick, and it's definitely one of my favorite combos that I've actually put together. So I'm excited. Let's go ahead and give this a kickflip test. Just make sure that we go ahead and clean up after ourselves. Make sure we throw away all of our scraps and stuff like that, just because we are good people, you know. We want to take care of our planet and all the things that we just want to take care of things. So let's go throw our stuff away. All right, guys, here we are. This is the new skate setup. The GripTape looks crazy. Graphic looks super nice. And the shape feels actually really good so far. I've never skated a Baker, so this is gonna be my first time testing this out. But from what I have skated before, I've skated some of my friends who skated Bakers, and they're really quality, sturdy skateboards. Of course, they're iconic. The graphic is, of course, super iconic. And yeah, I'm super geeked on this. So let's give it a little kickflip test. Let's see how it'll do. Oh, okay. First try, not bad. Oh my gosh. That off the bat just shows that this is probably gonna be super, super nice to skate. So let's give it a little flat ground test right now. so far, I'm not gonna lie, this deck is really nice. The shape feels nice. All my basic tricks feel really good off of the bat, and that's a really good sign. I have a feeling that this is gonna be one of my favorite skate decks that I've ever skated, but I have to break it in a little more. I have to skate it a little more before I give a review, before I say anything else. But so far, I'm just really excited, and it feels really good. But that's it, guys. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed me putting together a brand new skateboard, seeing me put together all the parts and just seeing how I do everything, and it was a lot of fun for me to create. So please don't forget to drop me a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Till next time, peace out.